Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Courtney.
I'm Nate.
And hey, we're doing another little day in the life video today. So we've got a pretty busy day today. We're gonna do some, run some errands, and we're about to get back on the road, heading back to Portland. And first, we're going to make one final donation to our local food pantry, community fridge.
This is pretty cool and fun.
Yeah, something that we really love about van life is that we're obviously very, very lucky to choose this lifestyle, and we're very fortunate that it has allowed us to save money, obviously, but it's also allowed us to have, a surplus and a little fund that we can give back each month. So we basically came up with the idea to set aside money each month that we can either donate or we can contribute to local organizations in the areas that we travel to. So wherever we are, wherever we're spending our time, we like to contribute and give back to the communities.
Besides just picking up trash.
Yeah, obviously, doing our part, leaving it better than we found it, but we also want to try to make a difference. And it's easy when you live in a van to find free resources, find free parking, free places to fill up water, and just it's easy to take advantage of those things because a lot of it is free. But since we're in the place to be able to do it, we want to be able to give back. We're going to show you guys kind of what we do, and we're going to head to the store, get some goods, and we're going to make a big donation.
Lots of good stuff.
Yeah.
First things first, you gotta stay hydrated out there, guys.
So we woke up, we drank our water, I made my coffee, and now we need to make our bed and get this van straightened up. Today's video is sponsored by Muse Health. We're super excited to be partnering with them on their hands-on movement campaign. So the hands-on movement is all about being really hands-on in our communities and helping people and getting out there and making a difference and taking matters into our own hands. When the pandemic started, Muse Health stepped up to create a hand sanitizer when there was a big shortage to get it out to people who really needed it the most. So the hands-on movement campaign is all about celebrating people who live in a very hands-on way, people who go out of their way to help others, and Muse Health basically just wants to celebrate those people. So they are doing a really big, really exciting giveaway. They are going to be giving away a year's supply of hand sanitizer, a Muse Health mask, and $3,000. So if you guys are interested in nominating someone who you feel lives very hands-on, you can go to Muse Health's website. I'll leave the link in the description and check it out, nominate someone, and if your candidate wins, you will also win a year's supply of hand sanitizer. All right, so we're about to go into Sprouts. We kind of like Sprouts because they have a lot of the brands that we like, but it's not super expensive. And we're just gonna get all the supplies, and then we'll show you guys what we got when we get back. All right, so we're back from the store. We got a lot of goodies. We're gonna drop them off to our local community fridge. Basically, to find these, they're all over the country. They're easier to find in big cities, but basically to find them, I usually just do a quick Google search. So wherever we're going, I'll type in community fridge in. So we're in Sacramento, so I found a couple here in Sacramento. We're gonna go drop them off. The one we're going to is a pantry only, so some have refrigerators, some only have pantries. So if there's no refrigerator, you want to get stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated, obviously. I love healthy food and eating healthy, and something that's really become really important to me and I'm really passionate about is just making healthy food more accessible to more people, and this is kind of the way that I like to do it. It's overwhelming to think about all the people who don't have access to healthy, fresh food. That can get overwhelming, but if you just think about maybe helping only one person, that makes a difference, and that makes it a little bit more attainable. So that's kind of my goal, and we've got basically on this one, we're doing a bunch of fresh produce. So we've got just an assortment of veggies and fruits and fresh food that doesn't need to be refrigerated. And then on top of that, on top of the produce, I also like to do little, call them self-care kits, also like hygiene kits. So they'll have things like toothbrushes, deodorant, basic hygiene essentials, but then I also like to do some little special things. I think in this one I'm gonna do a face mask and lotion and tea and just things to make whoever's receiving the pack feel nice. And because we're able to, I like to buy food and products that I would like to use, so it's not necessarily, it's not charity, it's not giving away things that I don't want to use or I don't need. It's getting things that I really like and sharing that with other people. So I'll put together one of the packs and show you what's gonna go in it. Okay, so basically I set everything up in a little assembly line, and I'm just going to, well, this is pretty much the only thing we use plastic bags for, but we're gonna put everything in a plastic bag just so they'll have something to carry it out. And they do have composting plastic bags, which obviously I recommend, but we haven't been able to find them. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna hand this off to Nate, and I'm just gonna go through what we're adding in here. So I like to do some personal care items and a few little snacks, and basically I try to pick out all my favorite brands to go in here, and I look for like single serving individual sized packs of the snack. So we will start with, let's see, I like to do these tuna packs. So these are ready to eat. They're already seasoned. All you need is a fork to eat them, so they're easy. And then we love Lara bars, chia seed packets.
I'm helping.
Beef sticks. And we're gonna do a Muse Health sanitizer, some wipes, a little sheet mask, some pads. This will do a couple. Toothbrush and toothpaste, deodorant and chapstick. So I did a little rose water toner. Nice little touch. We're gonna do a couple of reusable masks, some matcha green tea, and some sleepy time tea for the evening. Also do a little packet of honey to go with the tea, packet of peanut butter, and then a packet of magnesium. This is really good for nighttime. A little bag of Simple Mills crackers, some immune boosting vitamin C. I also forgot some Dr. Bronner soap. And a big thank you to Muse Health for sponsoring this video and providing a bunch of hand sanitizers. We're gonna drop a bunch of these off at the pantry as well. Okay, so we got all of our bags made and ready. It's always a good idea to maybe put a list of what's in here to add to the bag, just so everyone knows. And then a couple other things that I like to leave at these pantries is things like compostable dishware. I have some bowls and plates and spoons. And then, like I said, basically just things that are individually packaged. So everything else we're gonna just drop off. We have some oatmeals. These are really easy to prep. All you need is like hot water or a microwave. We got some juice boxes for the kids, and all the leftover matcha and tea will just drop off there. And that's pretty much it. And this is really fun. Putting these together is it's a really fun activity, and it's also really rewarding. And we don't really know who gets these little packages, but they're definitely made with a lot of love, and we hope that whoever receives them gets a lot of joy out of it. So we're gonna go drop them off now.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we're here. Always wear a mask and use gloves or hand sanitizer just to keep everything safe. And we got all our stuff, and we're gonna go drop it off. All right, now that we're done with all that, somebody needs some food. Sit. Say boof.
Wow.
Say boof. Oh, that was loud. So I guess I haven't introduced him. If you guys don't know, this is Tonkins. This is our boy. He's a real character, funny guy. To know him is to love him. Right, Beth? All right, you guys, so we got back on the road. We finished the van and we're like, okay, we got to get out of here. So we drove to the coast just in time to catch the sunset. So we're in Bodega Bay, and we're just gonna hang out here until the sun goes down, maybe go out for a little walk, catch up on some work, and then we have to go find a place to sleep for the night.
I guess.
It's kind of how it is. We're back out here, you know? We've been in the driveway for the past however many months, and it feels really good to be back out here on the road, but yeah, we're gonna just hang out, and we'll catch up with you guys later.
See you down the road.
Okay.